Here we are under a traditional manufactured van, and then the aluminium wall, for example, comes down, and then what they do is they put these bolts through the aluminium frame and hold it into this steel section here, okay? So again, you're still using this mold, and as you can see, you've got to rely on people using sealant, and there's yeah, if you don't have sealant in all these screws, you're running the risk of water getting into the van and rotting out certain components that are timber. It's the age-old problem that water does not mix with timber. But as you can see, the difference in strength is that you've got the aluminium frame in here with the veneer on the outside, and that's the whole structure of the wall and the base of this wall. Welcome under the vision, guys. So you're going to be seeing something remarkably different with the way that we approach the construction of our vans. So I've talked about it in other videos, but we start with a galvanized 50 by 50 box section subframe. And that's what the box is built on top of, and it's straight and perfect every single time. Again, we've shown you the extrusion that we use. That then blends in with the honeycomb composite floor. The wall section goes into that, and again, we're using a polymer adhesive. There's no screws, there's no rivets, there's no bolts. It's using advanced adhesives. Again, it's modern technology we should all be using, but you mix this galvanized box frame in with an incredibly strong extrusion and a strong wall. This is an unrivaled perimeter and framing for the van. We then go to the lengths of huck bolting that shell above to a galvanized chassis, and as you can see, we've got huck bolts going all the way across the front there, and we've got multiple ribs all the way towards the back of the van where you see this being huck bolted to the chassis. Again, it's another angle that Vision is really pushing forward with an incredible monocoque construction and eliminating the old school sort of bolt and screw and staple manufacturing methodologies. We're using advanced polymer adhesives, advanced extrusions, incredible millimeter perfect CNC'd walls. There's a place for all the construction methodologies in the marketplace, but I'm making note of the different construction styles to really amplify the effort that we've gone to for precision and reliability and consistent execution of that engineering as well with the build of our vans.